Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use night vision camera mode on the Moto G87 5G. So if you want to take night mode pictures, so pictures where there's a low amount of light, I'm going to show you how to do it. And all you need to do is open up the camera, and then we're going to scroll to the right to the More tab, and then click Night Vision. And it's going to take us to the Night Vision mode. Now there's another way to turn it on, and it pretty much turns on automatically, and when it detects low light. So if you are shooting a photo in low light, you're going to receive a message down here which says turn on night vision. So here, as you can see, it says switch to night vision. So you can click on that icon and it's going to take you to night vision mode. And now to take a good night vision photo, all we need to do is just keep our phone still while the photo is getting taken, and then just tap the icon. And it's going to take longer depending on the amount of light that you're looking through. So if the surroundings are very dark, the photo is going to take longer to capture. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.